What do you want to understand is in the intervening period,
Yeah.
is the President's consultation with the Council of State on
Well,
policy?
I haven't spoken with the President yet, and I cannot give any definitive answer to the question whether the consultation will continue.
But certainly, then, what's your advice to him because of the pending civil motion?
The President and the Republic are my clients. I will not advise my client publicly.
The last time the former Attorney General spoke, he said he expects nothing but the President to hold on the processes. Is that what is happening?
Well, he has filed an application in court. The court is here to make an order. So if he says that the President must hold on, is he saying that the court has already granted an order in respect of which the President, must not continue the process, right? First of all, he has to understand that this is the performance of a constitutional duty, all right? And the law is very clear that you cannot enjoin the performance of a constitutional or public obligation. And so, for me, I don't see the point that he's trying to make by saying that the President must hold on to the process of consultation.
His argument is that because of what is happening here at the Supreme Court, the President ought to hold on.
Well, that is why I have said the President is performing a constitutional duty, and the law is very clear that you cannot enjoin the performance of a public obligation.
What do you make of the adjournment?
No, the adjournment is to May 6th. So, because one of the panel members was not, was unavoidably absent, and so the court has adjourned it to the 6th of May.
At the last Attorney General mentioned how your absence in court in itself could amount to or may be proof of your unwillingness to grant any hearing to the injunction application.
No, it's not. The decision whether or not to hear the case is not mine to make. All right. And the reason why we were absent at the last agenda date was because we organized a training far ahead of the date that was given to us by the court. And the training was for all sit-attorneys, all right, by the ECOWAS Court of Justice. So they were being trained on the procedures and rules of the ECOWAS Court of Justice. And because of that, I was deeply involved in the training. My deputy was deeply involved in the training. The ECOWAS delegation that was doing the training was here in Accra. And we just asked for a date. Lawyers ask for this all the time when they are constrained and cannot be available in court. So for you to interpret that to mean that we are not willing, to go along with this process is totally unacceptable.